Number 1. In South Korea, certain restaurants use robot servers that navigate crowded dining rooms entirely on their own, carrying multiple dishes simultaneously while avoiding both furniture and customers, using built-in sensors, arriving at your exact table without a single human hand touching your food until it reaches you. Number 2. Japan has vending machines that serve genuinely hot, freshly made ramen within seconds, cooking actual noodles and broth on demand rather than simply dispensing a pre-packaged cup, complete with toppings added automatically before the bowl slides out ready to eat. Number 3. Certain Japanese bakeries now sell bread baked inside edible, flavored packaging that dissolves slightly when heated, meaning the wrapper itself becomes part of the intended flavor experience rather than simply being discarded waste. Number 4. In Seoul, some cafés use table-embedded touchscreens that let you order, pay, and even watch your coffee being prepared by a robotic barista arm visible through a small window, combining ordering and entertainment into one seamless experience. Number 5. Japan produces fruit that's been engineered to grow inside perfectly square molds, creating cube-shaped watermelons and melons specifically designed for easier stacking and refrigerator storage, sold as premium gifts rather than everyday produce. Number 6. Certain Korean supermarkets use AI-powered carts that follow customers autonomously through the store, scanning items as they're placed inside and calculating your total automatically, eliminating the traditional checkout line entirely. Number 7. Japanese hospitals commonly use handheld vein mapping devices that project a glowing hologram-like image of your veins directly onto your skin, allowing nurses to locate the perfect injection site instantly rather than searching by touch alone. Number 8. Certain Japanese toilets now analyze your health automatically with each use, measuring things like blood sugar and hydration levels through built-in sensors, then sending results directly to a connected smartphone app for ongoing health tracking. Number 9. In South Korea, some pharmacies use dispensing robots that read prescriptions, retrieve the correct medication from thousands of options, and package it precisely within seconds, reducing human error to nearly zero. Number 10. Japan has developed contact lenses embedded with microscopic sensors capable of monitoring eye pressure continuously, potentially detecting glaucoma risk long before traditional testing methods would catch any warning signs. Number 11. Certain train stations in Tokyo use facial recognition payment systems, allowing commuters to walk through ticket gates without touching a card or phone, their identity and payment processed in the fraction of a second it takes to walk past a sensor. Number 12. Japan sells popsicles that resist melting even when left out in warm temperatures for extended periods, using a natural food-safe polyphenol ingredient that maintains structural integrity without any artificial stabilizers or chemicals involved. Number 13. Certain Japanese stationery brands produce staplers that bind paper together without using any actual metal staples, instead cutting and folding a small tab of the paper itself to lock sheets together permanently and eco-friendly. Number 14. In South Korea, disposable coffee cup lids increasingly feature a small retractable straw built directly into the lid itself, eliminating the need for separate plastic straws while still allowing convenient one-handed drinking. Number 15. Japan produces butter-packaged inside toothpaste-style tubes, allowing users to squeeze out exactly the amount needed without ever touching a knife, dramatically speeding up morning toast preparation for busy commuters. Number 16. Certain Japanese companies manufacture umbrellas that double as functional water guns, featuring a hidden reservoir and trigger mechanism that lets users soak friends during summer festivals while still providing genuine rain protection. Number 17. In Seoul, vending machines exist that dispense fresh-cut flowers individually, complete with small water vials attached to stems, allowing spontaneous flower purchases at subway stations any hour of the day or night. Number 18. Japanese train companies issue official delay certificates on demand, small printed slips confirming exactly how late a specific train ran, allowing commuters to present proof to employers without any awkward explanation needed. Number 19. Certain Japanese trains offer self-heating bento boxes that activate with a simple pull tab, triggering a chemical reaction that warms the entire meal within minutes, perfect for long train journeys without any microwave available. Number 20. In South Korea, many public parks feature solar-powered benches equipped with built-in USB charging ports, letting visitors recharge phones while resting outdoors using energy collected from sunlight throughout the day. Number 21. Japanese convenience stores commonly install sliding mechanisms on refrigerated shelves, allowing customers to simply pull a front handle that glides products forward automatically rather than reaching deep into the case. Number 22. Certain Japanese apartment complexes provide bedsheet anchors that lock fitted sheets firmly beneath mattresses, completely preventing the frustrating slipping and bunching that typically happens throughout a restless night's sleep. Number 23. Rainy day umbrella wrapping machines appear at entrances throughout Japanese department stores, instantly sealing wet umbrellas in a thin plastic sleeve within seconds, keeping floors completely dry and preventing slip hazards. Number 24. Public restroom sinks throughout Japan increasingly include built-in UV sterilization slots, specifically for smartphones, disinfecting your device automatically while you simultaneously wash your hands at the same station. Number 25. Japanese pharmacies sell thin, dissolvable tongue strips specifically designed to temporarily block bitter taste receptors, making unpleasant medicine far easier for children to swallow without complaint or resistance. Number 26. Certain Japanese convenience stores stock small bottled beverages marketed specifically as hangover prevention drinks, containing natural herbal extracts and vitamins, consumed before drinking alcohol to reduce next-day symptoms. Number 27. Summer months bring mosquito-repelling stickers sold throughout Japan, small adhesive patches worn on clothing that release plant-based scents proven to deter biting insects for several continuous hours outdoors. Number 28. Japan produces toilet unclogging stickers that create an airtight seal over the bowl when flushed, using controlled air pressure buildup to forcefully clear blockages without needing a traditional plunger at all. Number 29. Certain train stations across Japan install moving conveyor belts alongside staircases specifically designed for cyclists, allowing bikes to be guided upward mechanically rather than carried manually up long flights of stairs. Number 30. Japanese airport ground staff are trained to handle luggage with visible care, gently placing rather than tossing bags onto carousels, then neatly arranging suitcases in organized rows for easier passenger identification and pickup. Number 31. South Korean subway cars sometimes feature dedicated phone charging compartments built directly into seat armrests, letting commuters charge devices securely during their commute without holding cables awkwardly. Number 32. Certain Japanese shrines maintain a centuries-old tradition called zini arai, where visitors wash physical currency in sacred spring water, believing this ritual attracts increased financial fortune throughout the coming year. Number 33. Japanese movie theaters occasionally release specialty popcorn buckets designed around specific film premieres, some containing built-in puzzle elements or interior lighting that activates once opened, transforming snacking into interactive entertainment.